Last time we have seen question number 30, but 27, 28, 29 are remaining. So we will start from 27. In the given network, the value of C so that the equivalent capacitance between A and B is 3 microfarad is. तर सर्किट अरेंजमेंट आपल्याला दिलेली, सर्किट डायग्राम आपल्याला काढावी लागेल. सो अरेंजमेंट इज लाईक दिस. This point is denoted by A, this is B. So we are given CAB. Total capacity is 3 microfarad. Now I will give the number. Where to find this? C. C is equal to question mark. So the remaining condenser are given the number like this. This is C1, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7. Here is also one condenser, C8. So total there are 9 condensers in the given figure. Their values are like this. C1 is equal to 2 microfarad. I will use only value number. All values are in microfarad. 6, 12, 4. 4 microfarad. Then 1, 2, 2. And C8 is equal to 8. So all the values are in microfarad. C will also be in microfarad. So I will give the name to some point. Say this is A, B, then this is D, E, M, N, and this is L, P, like this. So now we have to find the series parallel arrangement. इथे सिरीज पॅरलल आपल्याला ओळखायला पाहिजे. सिरीज पॅरलल ओळखण्याची सोपी मेथड आपल्याला माहिती पाहिजे. Whenever there is a branching of the charge, the two branches are in parallel. And when there is no change in the charge, then they are in series. तर इथे बघा, suppose a point is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. So battery will supply the charge plus Q. Induction minus Q. This is plus Q. तर डी पॉईंटला क्यू चार्ज आल्यानंतर तो 2 पार्टमध्ये डिवाइड होईल. काही चार्ज C1कडे जाईल आणि काही चार्ज खाली L पॉईंटकडे जाईल. पण ह्या 2 ब्रांचेस पॅरललमध्ये. आता इकडे समजा Q1 चार्ज गेला, प्लस Q1 मायनस Q1 बाय इंडक्शन प्लस Q1. दिस Q1 चार्ज नाव विल डिवाइड ॲट पॉईंट M. म्हणजे पुन्हा ह्या 2 ब्रांचेस पॅरललमध्ये आल्या. M कडून इकडे काहीतरी चार्ज गेला समजा Q2, plus Q2 minus Q2 plus Q2. Same trend will be given plus Q2 minus Q2 plus Q2. So the chart remains same, therefore these two are in series. The problem ची स्टार्ट कुठून करायची तेच इथे आपल्याला लक्षात यायला पाहिजे. कॅल्क्युलेशन सोपे असतात. So here this C2 and C3 are in series and this series combination is in parallel with C4. So there are so many steps. So step number 1 is the like this. Between M and N, C2 is in series with C3 having total capacity CS1. Therefore 1 upon CS1 is equal to 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3 is equal to 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 12, that is equal to LCM 12, and this is 2 plus 1 3. So CS1 is equal to 4 microfarad. This is the question 1. Like this. Now this CS1 is in parallel with C4. A मध्ये इनपुट मध्ये आता हे दोन पॅरलल होते. Now CS1 in parallel with C4 having capacity CP1 is equal to CS1 plus C4. So 4 plus 4, that is equal to 8. So CP1 is equal to 8 microfarad. This is the question. Now this total combination has capacity 8 microfarad, and this 8 microfarad now is in series with C1. Between points D and N, between point D and N, C1 in series with CP1 having capacity CS2. Therefore 1 upon CS2 is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon CP1. So this is equal to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon CP1 is equal to 8. So this is equal to 5 by 8. Therefore CS2 is equal to 8 by 5 is equal to 1.3. Or Rubic acid is microfarad. This is the question 3. Upon half capacity given. So this capacity is equal to CDMNE. या ब्रँडची कॅपॅसिटी आहे. आता खालची ब्रँड आपल्याला कन्सिडर करायची. आता खालची ब्रँड घेऊ. Now between L and P, between L and P, C5 and C6, C5 and C6 are in series having capacity CS2. Therefore sorry, CS2 आपला घेऊन जाणार, CS3. So 1 upon C5 plus 1 upon CS3 is equal to 1 upon C5 plus 1 upon C6 is equal to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, that is equal to 2 upon 2, that is equal to 1. So CS3 is equal to 1 microfarad. This is equation. या दोघांचा पण आता हा 1 microfarad CS3 आणि C7 पॅरलल मध्ये. Now CS3 parallel C7, therefore इथली कॅपॅसिटी CP1 पर्यंत आपण घेतलेली, आता इथे CP2 गेला. CP2 is equal to CS3 plus C7. So 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2 microfarad. So this is equal to CP2. Actually this CP2 is equal to CLP is equal to 2 microfarad. This is equation 5. हे तिघांची मिळून कॅपॅसिटी दोघांची मिळून 1 झाली आणि 1 पॅरलल 1 2 झालं. So this is 2. Now this 8 and 2 they are in series now. So in the branch L P E CP2 and C8 are in series having capacity CS4. Therefore 1 upon CS4 is equal to 1 upon CP2 plus 1 upon C8. So 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon C8, that is equal to 8. So 8, this is the 4 plus 1, 5 by 8. Therefore CS4 is equal to CDLP E is equal to 8 by 5 microfarad. This is equation 6. म्हणजे ह्या ब्रँडची कॅपॅसिटी 8 by 5 झाली आणि ह्या ब्रँडची पण कॅपॅसिटी 8 by 5. So this 8 by 5 and 8 by 5 they are in parallel. So between D and E आपण काय काय स्टेप्स केलं लक्षात घ्या. These two are in series. So 6 in series with 12, they have capacity 4 microfarad. This 4 and 4 they are in parallel. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. This 8 and 2 they are in series. So capacity between D in the brand DMNE is equal to 8 by 5. It has सर्वांची मिळून 8 by 5 आहे. So this is 8 by 5. This is also 8 by 5. So 8 by 5, 8 by 5 are in parallel. Now between D and E, between D and E, CS4 and CS2 are in series. They are having capacity, sorry, they are in parallel, having capacity, parallel की capacity पर्यंत आली आपली CP2 पर्यंत, having capacity CP3 is equal to CS4 plus CS2 is equal to 8 by 5 plus 8 by 5, that is equal to 16 by 5. So CP3 is equal to CD is equal to 16 by 5 microfarad. So this is equation 7. So now figure is like this: A, D, sorry, D, and this is B. or you can say E. So between D and E, the total capacity is equal to CP3, and between A and D, the capacity is C. Here's the arrangement. The circuit of figure 1 can be drawn equivalently like this. So हे सर्व monthly condensers आहे, total 8 condensers, त्याची capacity फक्त 16/5 आहे. So now in the branch A, D, B, C and CP3 are in series having capacity CS4 पर्यंत आपण आलो, having capacity CS5 is equal to CAB. Therefore 1 upon CS5 is equal to 1 upon C plus 1 upon CP3. So 1 upon CAB is equal to 1 upon C question mark, and CP3 just now we have calculated 1 upon 16/5. So CAB it is given, so 1/3 is equal to 1 upon C plus 5/16, and therefore 1/3 minus 5/16 is equal to 1 upon C. Therefore LCM is taken as 48. So 16 minus 5, 16 minus 15 is equal to 1 upon C. So 1 upon 48 is equal to 1 upon C, and therefore C is equal to 48 microfarad. This is the answer. So the unknown capacity C is equal to 48 microfarad, and therefore the correct choice is B. B is correct. प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये स्टेप्स भरपूर आहे. जेईला सुद्धा क्वेश्चन 2 मार्कासाठी वगैरे विचारतात, तर 2 मार्कासाठी एवढा वेळ आपल्याला 2 मिनिटासाठी फक्त असतो तो. तर प्रॉब्लेममधल्या स्टेप्स लक्षात घ्या. आपल्याला सी फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे आणि ए आणि बी मधली टोटल कॅपॅसिटी आपल्याला 3 मायक्रोफॅरेड दिलेली. सो in this case at point D, the charge will be divided into the 2 parts. Some charge will go on this side, some charge will go on this side. So these 2 branches are in parallel. Now this charge will go here at point M, it will be divided into the 2 parts. So some charge will flow in this branch, some charge will flow through C4. Now these 2 are in series. So start from this. C2 and C3 are in series. This capacity we have denoted by CS1. This CS1 and C4 they are in parallel having capacity CP1. CP1 म्हणजे M आणि N मधली ह्या तिघांची मिळून कॅपॅसिटी झाली. दिस CP1 and C1 they are in series. म्हणजे D, M, N, E ह्या ब्रँडमधली कॅपॅसिटी CS ठेवली 8/5. म्हणजे ह्या चौघांची मिळून कॅपॅसिटी 8/5 झाली. तशी इकडची पण कॅपॅसिटी 8/5. These 2 are in series. This is in parallel, again series. Series, parallel, series. So this capacity is 8/5. This capacity is 8/5. So between D and E point, this 8/5 and this 8/5, they are in parallel like this. So total capacity of this 8 condenser is equal to this 16/5. So this arrangement will become like this. Between A and D point, this is a C unknown capacity, and between D and E or D and B, this 8 condenser has capacity CP3 16/5 microfarad. So this is 16/5. Total capacity between A and B is given 3 microfarad. So these 2 are in series, and therefore 1 upon CS5 is equal to 1 upon C plus 1 upon CP3. So C is unknown, CP3 just now we have calculated equation 7, 16/5, and this CS5 is equal to total capacity between A and B point, and that is equal to 3 microfarad. So 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon C plus this will take reciprocal 5/16. So C comes to be 48 microfarad. So C is equal to 48 microfarad, like this. Next, question number 29. As shown in the figure, if the point C is earthed and the point A is given a potential of 2000 volt, then potential at point B will be. So again, the figure is the important. The arrangement is the like this. This is point A. These two are in series. This is in parallel with them, and this point is earth. Earthing means it is at zero potential. This point is B. So you have to find the potential of the point B. The joining point is called as B. So VA is equal to 2000 volt. VC is equal to 0 and VB is equal to question mark. तर VB ची व्हॅल्यू नक्कीच 2000 आणि 0 च्या मध्ये घ्यायची राहील. ती आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करायची लक्षात. सो अगेन वी विल डिनोट दिस कंडेन्सर like this. This is C1, C2, C3, C4 like this. So across C1 the potential difference is V1. So we have to find this potential of point B. So this is the potential difference. So VA minus VB is equal to V1, and therefore VB is equal to VA minus V1 equation E. आपल्याला V1 कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं आहे, तर आपल्याला हा बेसिक फॉर्म्युला माहिती C is equal to Q by V. Therefore V is equal to Q by C. तर V1 कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं असेल आपल्याला C1 पाहिजे. C1 दिलेला आहे. So I will give the value. C1 is equal to 5 microfarad. 5, 10, 10, 10. So this is 5. This is 10 microfarad. This is 10 microfarad. This is 10 microfarad. तर आपल्याला अगोदर इथला चार्ज करावा लागेल V1 कॅल्क्युलेट करण्यासाठी. तर चार्ज करण्यासाठी काय काय करावं लागेल? स्टेप नंबर 1. Suppose A is given positive potential of battery 2000 volt. So the charge will flow in the direction up to the point B. At point B, it will be divided into the two parts. So there is a branching, means these two branches are in parallel. Now some charge is given to C2, minus charge plus charge, same charge is given. So charge remains same. So these two are in series. हे आपल्याला इथून सुरुवात करायला लागेल. C2 and C3 are in series. Find the capacity CS1. CS1 and C4 are in parallel like this. So the steps are like this. Steps number 1. Between B and C, condensers C2 and C3 are in series having capacity CS1. Therefore 1 upon CS1 is equal to 1 upon C2. Actually यह वैल्यू अपना डायरेक्ट कर देते हैं. 10 series 10 मध्ये ती 5 हो जाए. So this is equal to 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 10, that is equal to 2 upon 10, that is equal to 1 upon 5. Therefore CS1 is equal to 5 microfarad. This is the equation number. ये दोघांचे मिळून CS1 आहे. Now this CS1 is in parallel with C4. Now CS1 and C4 are in parallel, having capacity CP1. So CP1 is equal to CS1 plus C4. So CS1 is equal to 5 plus 10, that is equal to 15 microfarad. So CP1 is equal to CBC is equal to 15 microfarad. This is the question second. So now figure will become like this. This is A point, this is C1, this is B point, this is CP1, this is C point, and this is connected to the ground. So now between A and C, these two are in series. Between A and C, C1 and CP1 are in series, having इथे आपला CS1 घेऊन झाला होता, इथे CS2 घ्यावं लागेल, having capacity CS2. Therefore 1 upon CS2 is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon CP1. So 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 15. So LCM is 15, so 4 by 15. Therefore CS2 is equal to CAC is equal to 15 by 4 microfarad. This is equation 3. या सर्वांची टोटल कॅपॅसिटी आपण कॅल्क्युलेट केली 15/4. या दोघांची 5 आहे, 5 in parallel with C4, so 5 plus 10 is equal to 15, and 15 and 5 they are in series, having capacity 15/4. Now let Q be the charge supplied to the circuit. Then Q is equal to CS into V. CS into V. So the CS2. So this is equal to total capacity between A and C, total potential difference between A and C. So this is equal to CAC is equal to 15/4 multiplied by 2000 minus 0. So 15 multiplied by 500, that is equal to 7500 microcoulomb. This is equal to 7500 microcoulomb. Now we know the charge, and now we can find the potential by using this formula. So V1 is equal to potential difference across the nature C1. So V1 is equal to half formula Q upon C1. So 7500 microcoulomb upon C1 is equal to 5. So that is equal to 1500 volt. Actually this is in microcoulomb, so this is 10⁻⁶. This is in microfarad, 10⁻⁶. So this is equal to 1500 volt. So V1 is equal to 1500 volt. This is equation 5. तर ही व्हॅल्यू आता इथे सबस्टिट्यूट करा. So put in A. So potential at point B is equal to potential at point A minus V1, and therefore this is equal to 1500 sorry, 2000 minus 1500, so that is equal to 500 volt. Potential of point B is equal to 500 volt, and therefore the correct answer is equal to B. B is correct. Like this. तर बीचा पोटेन्शियल जो होतो नक्कीच 2000 आणि 0 मध्ये असणार आहे. म्हणजे आता या फिगरमध्ये आपण जर पोटेन्शियल जर दाखवले सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 2000 वोल्ट, दिस इज इक्वल टू 0 volt and this is equal to 500 volt. This is our answer. So potential difference across C1 is equal to 1500. So 2000 minus 1500 is equal to 500. 500 minus 0 is equal to 500. So potential difference across this combination is equal to 500 volt. Like this. तर सिरीज पॅरललचे प्रॉब्लेम तसे इझी असतात पण कॅल्क्युलेशन फास्ट करता यायला पाहिजे. नेक्स्ट 28. Minimum number of 8 microfarad and 250 volt capacitors are used to make a combination of 16 microfarad and 1000 volt R. The answers are given 4, 32, 8 and 3. So, what combination is possible that we have to see. Now, if we use we have to increase the capacity from 8 to 6. So, we have to use parallel arrangement only because parallel arrangement increases. So, I will give the rough work. Suppose this is 8 microfarad. This is also 8 microfarad. So, total capacity CP will be equal to 8 plus 8 is equal to 16 microfarad. आपल्याला जेवढी कपॅसिटी पाहिजे तेवढी आपल्याला मिळाली, पण आन्सर 2 दिलेलं पण नाही तिथे. 2 कंडेन्सर सारखे आणि ते रॉंग पण. वाय रॉंग? बिकॉज दिस कपॅसिटी इज इन पॅरलल, therefore it has only 250 volt across this. For parallel combination the potential difference remains the same and we have to apply the total potential. So total potential is equal to 1000 volt and this VT is greater than V1 or V2. VT is greater than V2 and therefore this arrangement will not work. कंडेन्सरची कॅपॅसिटी फक्त 250 volt आहे, आपण त्याला 1000 volt अप्लाय केला होता तो कंडेन्सर डायरेक्ट ब्रेक होऊन जाईल, परमनंटली डॅमेज होऊन जाईल. म्हणजे कॅपॅसिटी मिळेल आपल्याला 16 मायक्रोफॅरेड पण अरेंजमेंट वर्क होणार नाही. म्हणजे दोन कंडेन्सर 8 मायक्रोफॅरेड यूज केले तर कॅपॅसिटी 16 मायक्रोफॅरेड आपल्याला मिळेल, पण ही कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाय होते. आणि त्याच्यामुळे हे कॉम्बिनेशन घडतं. जर आपण सिरीजमध्ये कनेक्ट केले तर कॅपॅसिटी 8 पेक्षा कमी होऊन जाईल, 16 नाही होणार. सो वाट टू यूज सिरीज अँड पॅरलल कॉम्बिनेशन. तर हा प्रॉब्लेम जरा नीट लक्षात घ्या. आपण 11thला सेल इन सिरीज अँड पॅरललची अरेंजमेंट बघितली होती. जर करंट जास्त पाहिजे असेल आपल्याला तर सेल पॅरललमध्ये जोडावं लागेल आणि व्होल्टेज वाढवायचं असेल तर सेल सिरीजमध्ये जोडावं लागेल. इथे तसंच आहे. लक्षात व्होल्टेज आपल्याला 1000 पाहिजे म्हणजे आपण ॲटलिस्ट 250 + 250 + 250 + 250 म्हणजे 4 कंडेन्सर आपण सिरीजमध्ये जोडले पाहिजे एका लाईनीमध्ये. पण एका लाईनीमध्ये जर 4 कंडेन्सर कनेक्ट केले तर त्याची कॅपॅसिटी फक्त 2 मायक्रोफॅरेड होऊन जाईल. आपल्याला 16 पाहिजे, आपण 8 रो यूज करायला पाहिजे. हे टोटल आपल्याला 32 कंडेन्सर लागतील. असं डायरेक्ट आपल्याला आन्सर कॅल्क्युलेट करता यायला पाहिजे, पेन हातात नाही घेता. तर ती प्रोसिजर याप्रमाणे. So why this combination is wrong? This is the reason. Okay. So we will use the arrangement like this, and it is applicable for any this type of problem. let small n is equal to number of condensers connected in series in a row. M is equal to number of rows of n condensers each connected in parallel as shown in figure 1. So the figure is the like this. This is the first row. N condenser. N condenser. Like this, there are M rows. So there are M rows like this. Dot 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 M rows. Row 1, row 2, row 3, row M. त्या प्रत्येक रोची कॅपॅसिटी आपण आता काढू शकतो. चला तर. सो दिस इज पॉइंट E, दिस इज पॉइंट B. Vt is equal to total potential applied is equal to 1000 volt. V is equal to potential across each condenser is equal to 250 volt. Vt is less than or equal to n times V, where n is the number of condensers. And therefore, we are using this equation. Vt is equal to n into V. Therefore, n is equal to total potential difference applied across potential difference across each condenser. So that is equal to 1000 volt upon 250 volt. That is equal to 4. So n is equal to n is equal to 4. Now in each row 4 condenser N is equal to 4 condenser of each of capacity C is equal to 8 microfarad are in series. Therefore, 1 upon C rho is equal to 1 upon C plus 1 upon C plus 1 upon C plus 1 upon C. There are 4 condensers, so this is equal to 4 by C, that is equal to 4 by 8, that is equal to 1 half. Therefore, the capacity of each row is equal to 2 microfarad. 2 microfarad. We want total capacity 16 microfarad. Ct is equal to total capacity required. Therefore, Ct is equal to number of row multiplied by capacity of each row. Therefore, M is equal to number of rows is equal to total capacity required, capacity of each row, that is equal to 16 microfarad upon 2 microfarad, so that is equal to 8. So, number of rows M is equal to 8. So, in each row there are 4 condensers. This is equation 1, and there are 8 such rows, equation 2. Let capital N is equal to हा नंबर आपल्याला काढायला सांगितलेला आहे. टोटल नंबर ऑफ कंडेन्सर्स required for Vt is equal to 1000 volt and Ct is equal to 16 microfarad. So N is equal to M multiplied by N. प्रत्येक रो मध्ये N कंडेन्सर आहे, अशा 8 रोज आपण यूज केलेले आहे. So number of rows is equal to 8, number of condenser in each row is equal to 4, and therefore total number of condenser required is equal to 32. So we require total 32 condenser, so that we will get the total voltage across the combination is equal to 1000 volt and total capacity is equal to 16 microfarad. तर हा रूल आपल्याला लक्षात पाहिजे. 250 plus 250 plus 250 plus 250. So total voltage will become 1000. आपण अजून एक कंडेन्सर जर इथे यूज केलं तर टोटल व्होल्टेज 150 होऊन जाईल, सॉरी 1250 होऊन जाईल. अरेंजमेंट बंद होऊन जाईल, कारण पोटेन्शियल आपल्याला फक्त 1000 पाहिजे. म्हणजे नंबर ऑफ कंडेन्सर इन सिरीज ठरवण्यासाठी आपल्याला टोटल पोटेन्शियल अपॉन पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स अक्रॉस ईच कंडेन्सर हा फॉर्म्युला माहिती पाहिजे. नंबर ऑफ रोज ठरवण्यासाठी हा फॉर्म्युला माहिती. याला ॲरे म्हणतात. देर आर n कंडेन्सर इन ईच रो लाईक दिस अँड देर आर m रोज कनेक्टेड इन पॅरलल. तर पॅरलमध्ये यूज करण्याचं कारण म्हणजे आपल्याला कपॅसिटी वाढवायची आहे म्हणून. आता या टाईपचा अजून एक प्रॉब्लेम दिलेला आहे, बघू आपण तो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 36 जो तो पण याच टाईपचा आहे, 28 and 36. तिथे पण मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ कंडेन्सर विचारलेले आपल्याला, कॅपॅसिटी आणि व्होल्टेज रेटिंग पण दिलेलं आहे, टोटल कॅपॅसिटी वगैरे. बघा ट्राय करून. पुढच्या वेळेस आपण तो प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करणार आहोत, पण ह्या मेथडचा यूज करून तुम्ही तो प्रॉब्लेम स्वतः सॉल्व करालो. ओके, वी विल स्टॉप हियर. नेक्स्ट टाइम वी विल सी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 36. It is of the same type of question number 28, and then we will start the remaining problem. Okay, we will stop here.